We just entered an area of trees. You can hear the wind blowing through the trees. It sounds like water rushing through. Actually, it's almost indistinguishable from water rushing through, but there is water ahead, and I hear it cascading. It's a beautiful spot on the trails. I understand that we're coming up on a rock scramble close to Penmar. We just passed a big stone wall down to the right. You can imagine if that was there during Revolutionary time, a group came up through the valley, that would be a stopper. It's probably about 6 foot tall, maybe 5 foot tall on the downside, and another wall here. So there are walls all through here. So I'll take that back. It's probably for, who knows? Neat stone walls though. The trail has some rocks. But there's large sections of the trail that you can speed up and make a little better time on because it's a dirt path. There's a ditch next to the wall. Small spring there. Fairly stagnant. There's moving water up ahead. Looks like a dirt road coming up. We've passed about 18 hikers today. It's Sunday morning before 9 o'clock. We had 18 hikers. I had promised Jonathan that the Appalachian Trail would be full of streams and places that he can dam off, and that would be beautiful like that. And turns out that we hike a lot of ridge lines and we see very few streams. For those new to hiking, when you get to a place like this, go upstream for your water. If you have dogs, let the dogs drink downstream from the path. Don't slip. Got a pretty good bridge here. He made it. My turn.